Okay, here we are learning about the tutorial on how to use the formula of countif, and countifs on Microsoft Excel. So on this occasion, I will explain about the tutorial on how to operate Microsoft Excel using countif, and countifs formulas. So let's to do practice about it. Four formulas uh, correlating about count. Okay, here I have file about here. As you can see on your screen, it's code, items, size, price, and stock. It's data about shampoo, toothpaste, soap, and conditioner. So we need to look for some data using by using the count formula. Count is used um, to count the number of data. Okay, if you use sum, you need to calculate the data. If we use sum formula, we need to calculate the data. But if we use count formula, it means that we want to know about how many data on our table or our data, how many. It's not about calculating, but we will count how many data on our table. So okay, let's see the example to make it more okay to know about it. Okay, it's count for all stock. Countif is similar with count, but the data is on certain criteria. It is countif. So for example, we need to know about the shampoo and conditioner, and having a discount. We just need to count the data to know about how many data. And countifs, it's similar with countif formula, but it has more criteria: shampoo, peak, discount, and etc. Okay, shampoo having a big size or big size and also have a discount. Okay, so we will try to do practice about each other. Okay, if we want to know about how many stocks here, equal to sign and count, open the brackets, and then plug all the data from stocks. Okay, it's about 12. Okay, it's about 12. So, what happens with, okay, oh, it's 0. If, why it's 0? It's no, because it's not about numbers. Okay, it's not about numbers. So if you want to count the data that's no number, you need to use the count A and then plug all the data. Items having no numbers, and it should be 12 because there are 12 items here: shampoo, toothpaste, soap, and conditioner. Okay, it's about count. Okay, let's move to the countif. We will count the data. How many data with some certain criteria. It is in countif. Okay, equal to sign countif. Count number of cells within a range that meet the given criteria. Okay, countif and open the brackets and range the data, that we want to look for, which data that we want to look for or we want to search for. Okay, it's about shampoo, so they are on the B column from items column, so it's range. Plug the data from these, the items, and it's from B2 until B13. Plug all the data from countif from B2 until B13 because the criteria of shampoo is on the B columns, and comma and type shampoo. with quotation mark, with the quotations, because it means criteria. Okay, just click B6 here. So you can also use B6. Okay, and then close the brackets. Okay, discount count if is from price D2, and then comma, and then click the G7 as discount cells it is, and then close the brackets and enter. Sort B6 as the result. Okay, and how about when we have two criteria or more? So we need to use countifs using S. So the formula will be like this, equal to sign countifs, and it's similar with the criteria range 1, criteria range 1, and comma criteria range 2, criteria range 3, and etc. Okay, and many more. So we need to know about it. Count is open the brackets and shampoo P2 until P13, and then comma, click the shampoo G10s on my table, and then comma, it's about size big. Okay, it big and comma, and it's 10. Okay, and then close the brackets. So shampoo big. Okay, and count is big. Okay, the items that have big size, and click cells big here, big cells, and then comma, and discount from D2 until D13, comma, and cell 811 as discount cells, and then close the brackets and enter. So here the results. Big discount. Okay, big discount, okay, you can see here. So it's very accurate. That's the tutorial about how to use countif and countifs. I think that hopefully you can know about the difference between countif and countifs. Okay, I hope this would be useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.